Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. I picked up this synthetic blend pink jumper from my local thrift store for $3. It was too big, but I knew it would be an easy upcycling project. To restyle it, all I had to do was reduce the length of the bottom hem and sleeves. Adding elastic to them gave it a more feminine silhouette that suited the colour and pearl detail. The first step was to sew 2 rows of stitching at the bottom of each sleeve. It's important that the gap between each seam is large enough to accommodate the width of the elastic. Remember to leave an opening so you can feed through the elastic, which is then sewn closed after feeding the elastic through. For more sleeve upcycling inspiration, check out the sleeve tutorial video on my channel featuring puffy sleeves, bell sleeves and elastic sleeves. I'll put a link in the comments. And here is a sleeve finished. Next, I do the same for the bottom hem. To make my job easier, I use the top of the ribbing as my new hem guide. This saved me so much time and ensured my hems were straight. And here it is finished. I'm so pleased with the transformation. Have you done something similar? Let me know in the comments. I love getting inspiration from others on their upcycling journey. If you want to see more videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. I upload upcycling and sewing tutorials weekly, so subscribe so you don't miss an update. See you next time.